Indoor-outdoor use. Multi-purpose air cooler can be used both for indoor or outdoor. No external power source required. Durable material. Mini fragrance air conditioner cooling fan is made of durable hard plastic material and powered by 3R batteries and USB cable to provide strong wind with low power consumption. 100% safe. Durable very soft fan blades covered well from all sides, ensuring no external source can enter inside the air cooler. All weather use. This air cooler fan is a 12-month weather fan, so you can use it any time of the year, be it summers for air cooling, rainy season for humidity removal, winter season for room fragrance. Room fragrance. You can add scent beads and 40 ml water into the storage slide inside the cooler to give off fragrance. You also can add ice or iced water into the storage box to provide freezing air to let you say goodbye to hot weather.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.
Subscribe JP Store channel, click bell button. 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 Subscribe JP Store channel, click bell.